Everyone, welcome back to Sibo's Rides and Reviews, and today we're going to be doing a turn signal light on a 2004 Jeep Liberty. So let's get to it. First off, we're going to go ahead and diagnose this problem. Okay, so we're in the vehicle, we've got it on and running, and one of the ways to diagnose this is using the little turn signal here. So I'm going to turn on the left signal, and you can see that that's going on normally, but now watch what happens when we turn the right signal. Okay, see how much quicker that is? So that's the left, and now we're going right. And you can see the frequency is just a lot quicker. So that's one of the ways you know your turn signal light is out. And this is how it looks from outside the vehicle. So you can see it is still going rather quickly. And if we go to the back, and then with the hazard lights, you can see that the driver's side light is going, but the passenger light is not. So we confirm that this is where the issue is. Okay, so with the trunk open, we can see there are two mounting bolts here. There's one here and one down here. So we're gonna go ahead and get those off, and this whole assembly should slide out. Alright, so we got both the mounting bolts out, and it is a Torx head. I believe it was a T15. And then this whole assembly should pop on out. There it goes. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Be careful not to drop it. And there is our assembly. So if you take a look at the front of the assembly, you can see there's kind of three separate housings. So you have the top light, turn signal, and then your reverse light. And when you come back into the assembly here, you can see that there's three different bulbs. Just make sure you turn the right one. So we're looking for the center one, which is going to be this one right here. And it should be a counterclockwise turn to release the bulb. And now that I've got this semi-supported on my hip here, so we're going to be turning it counterclockwise. You may need to flathead to pry it, but it only turns about half a turn. And there it goes, it wiggles right on out. And there's the bulb right there, and it's going to slide out of this housing. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Boom, there we go. And this is going to be a 3157 bulb. So there's a pack for the new one, but there it is, 3157 bulb, and I can put a link in the description for this below, but they usually come in the 2-pack. And here we have our new bulb, and we're going to go ahead and slide it back into this harness here, and then get that tightened down here. And just make sure you want to wipe off these contacts as well, just to make sure no dust, debris, or dirt is on there. Okay, so we went ahead and put the new bulb in. I wiped off the contacts with just a paper towel, the ones right here, that side, and then the contacts right in there. So then we're going to go ahead and slide this back in. Make sure these little locking tabs go in first on the sides. So want those tabs to match up. And then once they're in, you can go ahead and tighten them back down. Right, the bulb's back in. We're going to go ahead and slide this back in place just so those tabs snap in. And before we tighten anything down, I always like to go ahead and make and just check to make sure the bulb comes on just before we get everything tightened back down. So let's go ahead and give it a quick check. So we're not tightened down yet, but you can see we do have a light. We got a light here on the driver's side, come around to the front, and we have both lights working in the front. And finish it off, we're just going to go ahead and tighten both these bolts down, 1 and 2 down here, and that's it. Well, alright guys, that's it. That's how you change your turn signal light on one of these Jeeps here. Super simple process, probably took maybe 5-8 minutes tops. I think anyone can do this, simple hand tools. So thanks for checking out Sibo's Rides and Reviews, and hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks, have a good day.